Midlands Parkway Station. It's a very nice station with a power station right next to it. I'm not here for very long, but chimneys there for power station. I wrecked my plan by missing a train, so now I'm trying to claw back a load of time by spending less time in places.
Platform 2 from the 13:45
Power stations are really cool. This is just a big, it's just like Thanet Park, where there's a massive car park outside. Nothing really to see. There's a ticket office in there. Yeah. That pretty much completes this video. And here now comes my 222 to take me to Loughborough. But yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now from me. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed.